Hello everyone, I'm Melissa Rahman, and this time I will explain the experiment synthesis of manganese 6 and manganese 3 compounds. Objective of this experiment is synthesizing manganese 6 and manganese 3 compounds. Procedure in this experiment is manganese 6 compounds. Test tube 1. Mix 10 ml 0.01 molar KMnO4 with 5 ml 1 molar H2SO4. Next step, add a little MnO2, then shake it. Next, filter the solution. Test tube 2. Mix 10 ml 0.01 molar KMnO4 with 5 ml 2 molar NaOH. And next step, add a little MnO2, then shake it. Last, filter the solution. Manganese 3 compounds, weight 0.5 grams and MnSO4, then react with 2 ml of 1 molar H2SO4. Next, add 10 drops of concentrated H2SO4. Next, cool with cold water. Next step, add 5 drops of 0.1 molar KMnO4. Mix in 50 ml of distilled water, and last, observe the change the author. Discussion of this experiment is: the first experiment was conducted to make manganese 6. The first step is to prepare two empty test tubes, labeled 1 and 2. Then put 4 ml of 0.01 molar KMnO4 into two test tubes that have been labeled 1 and 2. After that, add 2 ml of dilute H2SO4 solution into test tube 1 and 2 ml of dilute KOH into a test tube 2. The result obtained in the test tube 1 and 2 of the solution both turned purple. Then a small amount of MnO2 was added to each test tube. In test tube 1 and 2, the solution remained purple. After filtering in the test tube 1, the solution changed color to light purple, while in the test tube 2, the solution changed to blackish green. In the manufacture of manganese 3, the first step is to weigh 0.5 grams of MnSO4, then put it into a test tube and react with 2 ml of 1 molar H2SO4, and the solution becomes clear. After that, 10 drops of concentrated H2SO4 were added, which resulted in a cloudy solution, and there were still insoluble MnSO4 granules. Then the solution is cooled with cold water and added 5 drops of 0.1 molar KMnSO4 and 50 ml of distilled water. The solution turns brown. The last conclusion of this experiment is: after carrying out the above practicum, it can be concluded that the manufacture of manganese 6 can occur using a base, which is marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to green. Compounds in manganese 6 containing permanganate ions are only stable in alkaline condition. This shows a positive reaction from manganese 6. Meanwhile, in the manufacture of manganese 3, It can be seen from the color change that occurred, which were initially clear to dark brown, which was a positive reaction from the manufacture of manganese 3. Okay guys, that's my presentation. Thank you for watching.